and I'm working on the just real quick, working on these. Look what I'm down to on these. So I'm finishing up. What I decided to do is finish up this hot pink and use my lavender candy glitter liners from NYX, and it comes off. I'm just using purples, and this is what I've been doing the second half of the month. I was finishing up the pink. I finished up the pink. Now I'm working on finishing up this purple. I have an aqua for next month, a teal. Then for the following month, I'm gonna use the white with the little bit of gold glitter in it with my, I think it might be my last candy liner, my silver. Finish that one up for April, and I think that I'll be done. No, I do have one that I got from Sephora that's purple, which I'll probably do in June. But yeah, I think I might, after that, might be done. With the candy glitter liners, and I think that will leave me with might leave me with 1.5 or 2 of these. Then I intend to try and finish it off by the summer. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I finally wrapped my nails again. They got to a nice length. They stopped breaking enough for me to get to a, you know, past my fingernails, and then and wrap them, doing a purple. It's a Revlon with the glitter on top. Speaking of Revlon, I did get it. This is a gorgeous a lip liner. I use eyeliners on my lips when I'm putting on my purple lipsticks. And then the matching, I got the matching lipstick. Really a beautiful, like an orchidy purple color. So I did get that. Wanted to show. I'm using up. I'm doing this with my gift card. I did get the spring collection. It was very easy. We'll get to that in a minute from WetnWild. But look at this. This is so cool. They got 4 fruits. I think it's lemon, apple, peach, and pear. And it's hand creams at Dollar Tree. So I got the peach and the pear. I certainly did not want lemon, and I really don't like apple. And then I think these were 2. I think it was apple and strawberry. I think I only saw 2 when I went to the Dollar Tree, and it's a lip balm. Oh, I was so excited. So cute. And WetnWild got it together, as far as I know, because I had no trouble. Well, I mean, again, it's not right that they don't tell you the time it's coming out, but I'm starting to see a pattern of 9 a.m. Pacific Standard with their last two releases, because the first release, was it the mermaid, the unicorn, I got with Ulta, and that was midnight Central Time. They didn't tell you, and I still haven't written any letters because I've just been so overwhelmed, but theirs is midnight. But I'm starting to see the pattern with these last 2 ones. It was 9 a.m. Pacific Standard for WetnWild, and the thing is, I kept refreshing and I kept clicking on limited edition. At 11 o'clock, I forgot to click on limited edition, and it wasn't up. I didn't get any emails that it was up, and I just kept watching the feed of Instagram, and everybody said that they got on at 11, and it was like 11:03. Boom, they said go to limited edition. I forgot to do that. So at about 11:05, I went and I did it. I was afraid I was gonna have trouble. I used my gift cards, you know, because again, I'm just trying to save the family's money for food and bills, no problem at all. I checked my gift card, because it's just like a credit card. It was there that the monies were put aside for that, and just waiting for it to be shipped to me. But I already know with WetnWild it's going to take me 2 weeks before I see that. But it was much better. I only heard a few complaints where some people were not able to get it because it just kept, the spinning circle and nothing processing would not go through. It wouldn't finish, and they waited and waited. They were afraid to refresh. They were afraid to do anything. And even when they did refresh, it was still doing it. Not sure. I guess it was just a really, really busy time when they tried, but I just wanted to do it as soon as it came out so I wouldn't have any issues. And, I was able to get that. So that was really cool. And then lastly, I this was announced on Instagram that it was $4 on sale at Walmart, and I went to like 2 or 3 different Walmarts, and I think it was a fluke because it was $11. It's $13 on the website, but I got it. It's like that blue, and then it's like a pink, and then this looks like an orange, but it comes off as a gold. So I got these other Milani highlighters to match my lip toppers because I got the blue lip topper. So yeah, so it's already at Walgreens. So the Walmart one is already at Walgreens, and not all Walgreens have gotten out yet, but some states did. And so if you miss it because they already said they're almost sold out, just know that Walgreens will get it. I heard someone said they saw it at their CVS. But it's going to be double the price. The box sets come out at half price. But I've seen so a couple of women got the promoted, Jeffree Star and I think Jay Kissa, something like that, and then some people who bought it at Walgreens, and it's definitely different. It doesn't make sense that they made a goth collection for spring, but it's definitely different because it is kind of pastel-y at the same time. So it's different, but we'll see when I get it. So it looks like it's got like this bluish, a pinkish, a silver, and a black, a metallic. It's supposed to be holographic lip gloss. I think it had like a beige and a pink for eyes, and then like a grayish and like a purple for the eyes. The usual catsuit for the eyes. What I noticed about these from the other 2 collections they've had is that it seems kind of sheer. I don't know. I don't know. I know it just looked like you had to put on a lot of coats to really get it to stand out. They had the eyeliners. I don't know, they keep having like these really light eyeliners that don't really seem to work right, but with the collections. But let's see how this one turns out. What was it? It was the eyes, the lips, the liner. Oh, and then they had 3 highlighters in the collection. 2 powdered ones, a white and a purple. It's just purple, it's pink. And then they have a stick. So let's see what happens. Again, I probably won't get it for another 2 weeks. So, Lord willing, I will see you in 2 weeks. No, I will see you next Friday, Lord willing. And yeah, and by hopefully everything will work out for my daughter, and everything will work out for me too. Okay. Love you all. Take care. Mwah.